Hello, Eposidin Tips family. Thank you so much for coming back. Yes, if you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Grab a chair. So today, guys, we made fried curry rice assorted with some chicken, fried plantains, fresh tomatoes, and onion. Yes, you can see. If you want to know how I made this delicacy, do all to join me in my kitchen. Let's do this, guys. Follow me to the kitchen. Let's start cooking. Guys, as we said, we're going to dive in directly into the presentation of our spices or our ingredients that we're going to use in the making of our curry rice. Of course, we'll need some chicken. We need red onion already diced. We need vegetable oil. We need green, red, and yellow bell pepper, and 3 big habanero pepper, optional of course. We need some white and black pepper. We need our curry, salt to taste, 2 cubes. We need some fresh coriander and fresh basil leaf, chopped carrot and green beans, and of course the rice. So guys, here are what we need, and we're going to dive in directly into the chopping of our chicken. We're going to start with the chopping of our chicken. We're gonna dive in directly into steaming our chicken. Add some water. Add some chopped onions. Some salt to taste. 1 cube. And of course, some curry. And we allow to boil. So guys, our chicken is ready. We're going to remove the slices of chicken, leaving the stock in the pot. Guys, after removing our chicken, we're going to dive in directly into the preparation. Here is our grind pepper, the habanero pepper. I want to add it. I want to add some water. Some white pepper. To your taste, of course. Some black pepper. Salt. You don't have to put too much salt, because remember the stock was seasoned. You want to add some more curry. And of course, we're going to add half of this cube. We'll keep the other half. We stir everything together. Give it a taste. Yeah, I'm going to add some more salt. Okay, and I'm going to add our rice. With this, we are going to allow it to boil. While our rice is boiling, we want to start frying our bell pepper. So we'll add some oil. Gonna add more and let it warm. Our oil is hot. We want to go in directly into putting some onion, the leftover onion. We'll fry a little. Add the bell pepper. Add a little bit of salt. And a little half of our cube. We'll stir and we'll bring it to a fry for 5 minutes. If you want to see how our rice is, so you can see the water is almost draining already. So you want to have a taste. Okay, the quantity of water that is left, you can see it's enough to cook the rice. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn off the heat and let the heat from the pot cook our rice. We are not adding any water. We're going to turn off the heat. Our rice is ready. What we're going to do right now, we're going to fry it. So I'm going to add these bell peppers we have already fried. And we're going to add our rice. Guys, you can see our rice is all soft and ready. So we want to make sure we stir everything. So guys, as you're stirring, you can see how beautiful it looks already. We're going to add our carrots and green beans. You can see that, guys. Add some more rice. Guys, you can see our beautiful fried rice, fried curry rice. We're gonna leave it to simmer for 2 minutes, and our rice is ready. So guys, after 2 minutes, you can see we're going to add our chopped cilantro and basil leaf. I'm putting this at the end because of the scent. It's optional. We want to stir again. And leave it to simmer again for 2 minutes, and our rice is ready. Guys, here is the end result of our curry fried rice. You can see how beautiful it looks. We are going to eat it with some fried plantains, fresh tomatoes, onions, and chicken. So guys, if you're here and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Do click on the subscription button. Click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a video, you will be notified. Like this video if you did enjoy. Leave your comments on the comment section. Be it appreciation, be it because you learned, be it corrections, all are accepted, guys. And do share the video for others to join the Eposidin Tips family. And I'll see you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. Ciao.